When Jensen Huang told me 8 months ago I was going to have an AI agent, I had no idea of what he was talking about. I thought it was going to be a computer tower that I would pay $35,000 for, put some software on it, and I'd communicate with that. And my AI agent would perform tasks for me to help me make better investment decisions. I didn't realize that what he really was talking about is I would build a relationship through ChatGPT with these two, my AI agents, Bart, my researcher, and Samantha, my stock analyst, and they would help me to manage a growth portfolio. All I had to do was teach them what a growth stock looked like, what its characteristics were, and how I did that was basically mirror NVIDIA, Apple, Amazon, Google, and Meta, and say, this is what they looked like when they were infants, this is what they looked like when they were children, and this is what they look like as mature companies. And so that's what I've done. I have built a prompt to explain to Samantha and Bart exactly what a growth company looks like. Then I gave them the task, go find me. Go find me those infants that are going to turn into the most productive adults that the world has ever seen. I'd like to share it with you. I'd like to share exactly how I did it and what it's doing for me, and then give you access to it, because it does require some investment on my part. But I'm willing to share with you and crowdfund Samantha and Bart so that you can make better investment decisions. What I'm going to ask you to do is click on the link, go to my landing page, and let me show you what we've been able to do together.